Come test drive the 2019 BMW X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, navigation system, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.